If you're thinking about buying your first drone, there's a lot to consider. Your budget, camera quality, battery life, flight modes, and even how portable you want it to be. I've been flying drones for over 5 years, and our team has helped hundreds of thousands of new pilots get started the right way. So in this video, I'll walk you through what you should consider before buying your first drone. Hey everyone, I'm Adam with UAV Coach, and the first thing you'll want to think about before buying a drone is how you actually plan to use it. Too many people buy a drone based on their budget, then ask, so what can I do with it? Instead, start with your goals. Are you capturing real estate photos, doing roof inspections, creating marketing videos? Each use case needs different features, and the drone is really just the tool to get the job done. Next, understand that on most consumer drones, the camera can't be swapped out. The camera you buy is the camera you have. If a 12 megapixel camera works for your goals, that's great. But if you need 20 megapixels, or you need to be able to shoot in D-Log or zoom in, or have a mechanical shutter for mapping, you're looking at a completely different model, not just an upgrade later. So if you think you might want to get into thermal imaging down the road, keep in mind that you can't just attach a thermal camera to a standard drone. You'll need one specifically designed for that, like certain enterprise or industrial models. Another one most new pilots overlook is battery life. New drones almost always come with just one battery, which usually lasts about 25 to 30 minutes depending on the model. But each battery takes roughly an hour and a half to recharge. So if you plan to fly seriously, I recommend getting the Fly More combo or bundle when you buy. This means that you'll have 3 to 4 batteries, which will give you the option to stay in the air longer and capture everything without needing to constantly wait and recharge. Another element to focus on is the overall size and portability of your drone. If you plan to travel with it, remember you're not just packing the drone itself, you're also bringing the controller, extra batteries, chargers, and sometimes propeller guards or ND filters. All of that adds weight and bulk fast. Even with a relatively small drone, my setup takes up nearly half of my camera bag. So before you buy, think about how often you'll want to travel with it and whether portability is worth trading off a bit of performance or flight time. Next, make sure to know the basic rules for where you live. For example, in Minnesota, they require commercial drone pilots to register the drone with the state and even carry liability insurance. Those are extra costs that can surprise new pilots, so always check your state's drone laws before flying. Finally, understand that once you start flying, you'll be learning more than just how to control a drone. You'll start picking up photography, videography, editing, and maybe even data processing if you get into mapping. There's a learning curve, but it's part of what makes this hobby or career so rewarding. So before you buy, think about your goals, your camera needs, your software compatibility, and your total setup, not just the drone itself. If you're new to drones, we've got tons of free guides linked below to help you choose your first one and get started flying safely. Let us know in the comments if you'd add anything to this list, and if you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe and turn on that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our future drone videos. Until next time, blue skies and safe flying.